Story Nest.
Bella the bunny, with her fluffy white tail twitching, carefully dug a small hole in the soft earth of their whimsical garden. Freddie the frog, his green skin glistening in the morning sun, hopped excitedly beside her, clutching a tiny brown seed. I will generate a 1920x 1080 high-definition image in a 16:9 aspect ratio, rendered in 3D HD 60 FPS animation style, showing Bella the bunny, a cute white rabbit with a noticeable fluffy tail, using a small trowel to dig a hole in the brown soil of a lush garden. Beside her, Freddie the frog, a bright green frog with large friendly eyes, is hopping with a small brown round seed held delicately in his hand. The background will be filled with colorful, slightly oversized flowers and lush green foliage, creating a whimsical atmosphere. "Are you sure this will grow into something amazing, Freddie?" Bella asked, her nose wiggling with curiosity as Freddie carefully placed the seed in the hole and nudged the soil back with his webbed foot. "I will generate a 1920x 1080 high-definition image in a 16:9 aspect ratio, rendered in 3D HD 60 FPS animation style, showing Bella the bunny looking at Freddie the frog with a questioning expression. Bella is kneeling by the small patch of freshly covered soil, her trowel resting beside her. Freddie is gently pushing soil over the seed with his green webbed foot. The whimsical garden background, with its vibrant flowers and greenery, remains consistent. "Oh, Bella, this is no ordinary seed," Freddie exclaimed, his eyes wide with excitement. "Old Man Willow gave it to me. He said it holds a little bit of garden magic inside. I will generate a 1920x 1080 high-definition image in a 16:9 aspect ratio, rendered in 3D HD 60 FPS animation style, showing Freddie the frog looking directly at Bella the bunny with an enthusiastic expression. His eyes are wide and bright as he gestures slightly with his hand towards the spot where they planted the seed. Bella is looking at Freddie with interest. The background continues to showcase the vibrant and whimsical garden setting. They watered the spot every day, and soon a tiny sprout peeked out from the earth. It grew quickly, much faster than any other plant in their garden, and soon it unfurled into a bush with leaves that shimmered like 1,000 tiny rainbows. I will generate a 1920x 1080 high-definition image in a 16:9 aspect ratio, rendered in 3D HD 60 FPS animation style, showing Bella the bunny and Freddie the frog gazing in wonder at a small bush that has grown rapidly from the spot where they planted the seed. The bush has vibrant green leaves that reflect a multitude of rainbow colors. The whimsical garden surrounds them. Now, with the addition of this magical plant, one sunny afternoon, as Bella and Freddie were admiring their magical bush, tiny glowing flowers began to bloom on its branches. Each flower hummed with a soft, melodious sound, and as the breeze rustled through the leaves, the whole garden filled with enchanting music. I will generate a 1920x 1080 high-definition image in a 16:9 aspect ratio, rendered in 3D HD 60 FPS animation style, depicting Bella the bunny and Freddie the frog looking up in amazement at the magical bush. The bush is now adorned with small glowing flowers of various colors that emit a soft light. Subtle sound waves or musical notes are visually suggested around the flowers, indicating the melodious humming. The whimsical garden setting remains vibrant and detailed.